Okay, we discussed about for loop and while loop as well in the yesterday's class. So the today's class will go along with this mm, how to use how to traverse through a list. First problem we will take how to traverse through a list. So if you take any list, x is equal to like that. X is equal to some few names are there. If you want to display then one by one name inside a list, how to write the code for that? So using for loop for a in the list name is x. You have to put colon. You have to print okay, like that. It will display the names inside uh, particular class, particular list one by one. So let us see what will be the output of this program. Is it visible to all? Okay, shall I increase the font? Okay, it is very much okay. I will increase. So, okay, now I'm running this. Now I am running this. So before the print statement, how many blank spaces I left? 4 blank spaces are one tab space. So after a in x, I wrote this colon. Huh? Huh? Colon. Colon means this is the small colon. Colon I kept. After that, uh, I came to next line and gave 4 blank spaces. After that, I wrote the print command like that. So if I click on the particular button, so it displayed. So all the displayed the elements of a list one by one like that. So this is the program to traverse the elements inside a list. So it will take out one element from the list and display in that particular order. So list can be like this. All of you make a note of this program. So you program, all of you please note down in your notebook. This is one of the important programs. So about list traversing. List traversing. This is called list traversing. Okay, using for loop. Is that clear to all? Is it clear to all? Okay. Uh, Now, now let us go with the. Now let us take another topic. So, in Python, how we will create the uh, functions? Functions in Python will be created using def keyword. Def function name ABC or something. So how many arguments you take? That arguments you have to put here. Comma B. After that you have to put colon. and type return a plus b. Now, how to call the function using the function name followed by list of arguments. Function name followed by list of arguments. So, so 223 comma 45. You write this inside a printer, or to assign this to one variable, then you can print that variable. So if you run this is the output of that particular program. So 23 plus 45, it is 65, 68, sorry. So 68 we got. So this is the function syntax in Python. Function syntax will be like this: A, B, C, A comma B, return A plus B, C is equal to, we are calling the function with function name followed by list of arguments. Okay. Now print C. Okay. This will be like this. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Okay. Next, this is the simple mechanism of creating one function. Okay. This is the thing. Is there any doubts in this? You can unmute yourself and ask. Okay. Is it visible to all? Okay. Yes, sir. Now, is it clear that function concept? Okay. Now, let us take another example. How to make factorial of a given number using another function. Factorial like that, if you put that is enough. Yeah, something colon. Correct. I change okay. F is equal to F star I. You have to put one comma this. And next, take a variable F is equal to 1 here. F is equal to F star I. And at the end, you can say return F. So, X is equal to factor 3. 3 factorial how much? 3 into 2, 6. You should get 6 here. So problem is this: we have to take a plus one up to okay. Next is like this. So any doubts in this? This is a simple factorial function. So first I am taking f is equal to 1. I am taking for I is in the range of 1, comma a plus 1, colon I kept f is equal to f star I. So every time it will multiply and the value will be incremented up to a. Means we have to take the value up to a plus 1. So like that it will multiply and after multiplication of everything it will return and the return value will be sent using return f. So f contains all the, for example, if you are taking 3, so first it will take 1 into 1, it will store in the f. Again, I will be incremented 1 into 2. It will be storing again in f. 1 into 2 into again 3. If you are sending 3, so the entire multiplication will be stored in the f. And at the end of the function, we are returning f. Huh? So the factorial function, so it will return the factorial of a given number that is stored inside the x. So that is the basic thing that will be stored inside the x, and we will be printing that particular value x. That is the thing. Okay, is it clear? So, next function to find biggest of two numbers. Yes. A comma b. Maximum is equal to max is equal to comma a. Like that you have to type elif b greater than a into max is equal to b. If this condition and that condition both are else colon print both are equal. Both are equal. So you call the function using max of 2, 2, right? 10 comma 10 comma 21. So next max of 2, max of 2, 20 comma 20. So both the times you call, you see the output. So once the maximum is 20, first time we got maximum is 20, second time we got both are equal. So this is the function to find the biggest of two numbers using is we are using if, elif and else. Huh? So if you can chain with if condition is true first statement, else if it will execute the next one, else it will, otherwise that is also false means it will execute the third one, any one only it will execute that. This is called if else chain like that. Hmm? So this is the thing, and we can put let us see, we can put max of max of 2, max of 2 20 comma 10. Let's see. So second time, second value we have given that first value it is coming, second value it is working, both are equally it is also working. So this function is successful with all conditions. So please make a note of this function. All of you write down this function. Please write down, all of you, this function. This will explain maximum of two numbers. Huh? Okay, when you pass two values to this, it will um, print. So next, so So there is something, some important concept. We yesterday we learned about none type. So any Python program can only eligible to get only one none object. Huh? So if you use two none variables, two variables with none value, what will happen? It will only create one object and it will link that object, link that object to two variables. So so you see the address of these two variables I am using none, but the address if you check with ID function that will be same. So this is one more important concept in Python about the none variable, none data type, none data type. This is none means nothing. So any function or a single Python program can contain only one none object. Uh, Please make a note of it. Uh, Please, this is very very important. Okay, this is the one of the important concepts you should also understand. Okay, next. Okay, is it clear? Next, let us take mm, a dictionary. Yesterday we discussed about dictionary. So here, how to traverse through the dictionary. That is our concept now. So for dictionary, let us take now X. Dictionary index. What we will get? Let us see. So we are getting only keys. So how to get values? What values? If I say so, I got all the values. Huh? If I want only keys, you don't say anything directly. We are getting keys. Keys. So next key keys you will get like this. Huh? Next so values you will get like this. So if I want to key values, what is the come away? So we have to use items. At a time key value you will get. So like that you can get key and value. This is the method of traversing a dictionary and extracting different things. So for this, just make a note of everything. For this, uh, this, just all of you note down this program. Very important one. For traversing dictionary, it is very difficult if you don't know. Very difficult thing. Let's- See first key value, next only keys, next only values. Like that output we got. Please make a note of this important program. How to traverse dictionary using keys and values, only values. So what is the key? First element is the key, followed by colon. Next you will get have the value. So that is the Ramu or anything, any string or anything you can use. So this is the key value pairs in the dictionary. So this will be like this. This is the method of traversing to dictionary items using for loop. Generally, we use for loop to traverse the elements. So, two iterables in this dictionary list tuple. These are called together iterables. Iterables. Okay. So this is about this. Please make a note of it. Okay. Shall I go pitch further? Now let us take another problem. Let us see. Now S is equal to, let us take a set. Rama let us traverse the list for x in S index. So you got Gopi first, you got Mallesh after, then last you got Ram. That is the specialty of the set. Set you will not have any order. So first you got Gopi, next you got Mallesh, next you got Rama. Okay? Set will not have any order. So set if you write duplicate again, so let us see it will it take or not. So I am writing Ramo again. Will it give us two elements of Ramo or not? Let us see. So it removed one extra Ramu, only give only unique values. Like that, the set there will not be any duplicates. Duplicates are removed from the set like that. So set elements set in Python will not accept duplicate values. So only one elements of the Ramu one value only taken. So if you print the set completely, you will know here only one it has taken it removed automatically the duplicate value. Gopi Mallesh Ram only unique elements it will keep. It will throw out the duplicates automatically. That is the specialty of this set. So this is something about the set. Next, let us take one more uh, problem in Python. So let us take a program. So how you will write the comment in Python using this is comment. So this is comment like this. You can write comment. If you want one more line, you have to keep this. This is program for prime numbers. This is the program for prime numbers. Okay. Now let us see how to check whether a given number is prime or not. So program to check whether given number is prime or not. So let us see that. So let us take a one number x is equal to input. Now convert that x into integer. Int x. Now flag edge flag f is equal to true. For I similar to double slash. If x percentage I equal to 0 colon print f is equal to false and break. Next, if f print is true, print x given is prime. And x else not print. So we have to pass some value. So let us take 17. 17 is prime, we know. Given number is prime. We got it properly. So how this is possible? We are checking, we are dividing the given number with 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that up to half of the half of the range of the given number. For example, if you have taken 17, 17 half, how much? It is around 8. So I am adding plus 2 to it. So after two elements also, I am I have added. So up to more than 50%, we are checking whether the given number is prime or not. So like that. Uh, asking to join now. Now let us see. So this program, first we are taking the input value. Next after that, uh, we are modifying that value into integer. So we are taking a flag variable. So I am dividing the given value by 2, and I am taking one for loop that I am taken the range from 2 to that n. So if x divided x divides I properly, then flag will become false. And if the flag is false, come out of the loop. Otherwise, continue with the next iteration. If that at the end of the loop, we will check whether the flag is true or not. So here we can keep one clear thing, or F equal to true, like that you can put it. It will be more clear. That is the condition. If F is equal to true, whatever the starting flag value we kept, that only it is there, then it is a prime number. The starting flag value is modified inside the loop, means then that is gone. That is a composite number. So the given number is not prime. So let us check it for the composite number. If I enter 15, so it will say given number is not prime. Okay, so correctly the program worked for both prime numbers as well as non-prime numbers. Let's check one more. I'm taking 5. 5 is a prime number. Given number is prime. Okay, so like that, the program is working nicely. All of you copy this program. All of you can copy this program. So today we discussed about the list and traversing the list and like same like you can traverse through the tuple. You can traverse how to traverse through the set, how to traverse through the dictionary. Yeah, I explained one more program on the prime numbers yesterday. I gave this assignment. No, how many did this assignment? How many tried this on your own? If anybody not getting, please make a copy of this program. All of you copy this program. So this is the solution for yesterday's assignment. Okay. Any doubts you can ask. You can unmute and ask now. Any doubts are there? Any doubts are there? Any doubts you have? Hello? Is there any doubt? Respond to chat box. Okay? So, it is okay. Okay. Okay, no doubts as for today's class. I'm stopping this class for today. Is there any problem you have? Okay, is it clear to all? So I'm stopping. So హలో
సార్ చెప్పండి.
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? చెప్పండి.
ఎవరు అడగట్లేగా. స్టూడెంట్స్, హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ గాట్ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ఇన్ కోర్సెరా? కోర్సెరా ఎంతమంది రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారమ్మా?